All right, so it's time to really kick ass, you know. I'm trying to be all the R35s around here, all the Supras, everything around here. That's why I got these radios, man. And you know, a lot of niggas gonna get beat out here, you know.
I already beat him my 35, guys. He probably didn't tell you that on his channel. I'm gonna get it out before you. I hope you don't delete it.
You already said it before. You already said it.
I'm gonna remind your viewers every time that I got this. Okay, guys? See that? I got this. Not no who doing your thing? Gearhead? Slow ass, yeah. No. Slow ass. Hey, Gearhead, man. I'm on y'all channel selling out.
Customer cars.
Nah, you get that? Hey, that car going away anyways.
I can't even.
Yeah, man, it's going away.
I can't even see what's going on. Anyways, they're here. They're here. Oh, they're here. That's front and back for the Trackhawk. Damn, I can't even get monetized because of you, bro. Yeah, I know. Hey, it didn't pick up last time either.
He said you beat him once and he beat you twice.
Yeah, because when he
hell
went,
nah, bro.
he hit it and it was a car there, bro. So I braked till him not die. It's not working. Is them weights in the way?
This is bad.
Hit it? You gotta grind it?
Bro, I'm gonna turn the camera off, bitch.
He's how much our camera off, boy. Is it the weights or is it the wheels?
I think. they're on. I had to grind the fuck out of them, right? Not only just that, though. It wasn't enough. So, big shout out to Lee. Big shout out to fucking Nick. Nick's ugly ass, you know. Yeah, they grinded it smooth, made it work, and what I did wasn't good enough. This bitch is dirty as fuck, by the way. I know y'all like that carbon fiber. I know y'all like it. I know y'all like it. It's carbon fiber. The backs, they fit perfect. There's hella brake dust because I've been driving it. Probably put like maybe 40 miles on these bitches. They're still fucking nice. By the way, this bitch fucking hooks crazy as fucking second. First, kind of spins. I don't know. I low-key need to do a fucking test hit on video, but that'll be another time. When y'all see it, I'll be at the motherfucking track, and that's when y'all see it. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Appreciate everybody that helped me, and fuck everybody that didn't. Yeah, fuck you. Okay, bye.